A long thread bolt, also known as the D975 bolt, stud bolt, or the thread rod bolt, is a crucial component for a variety of applications. This versatile fastener is a long cylindrical rod with threading along its entire length. Ideal for a wide range of applications, these threaded rods are designed to provide secure and reliable fastening. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these rods offer an exceptional corrosion resistance, ensuring durability and longevity even in the harshest environments. Available in different diameters and length, the long thread rod can be customized to meet your own specific needs. For applications requiring a shorter threaded section, the D976 bolt is also available, offering the same strength and reliability in a shorter length. For the project that demands strength, versatility, and corrosion resistance, choose Goshen hardware.